I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
We're going to be a little creative today. We're going to be rolling for ingredients.
Playing a little game.
And then we have to make whatever we select, we have to include it in a recipe.
Whatever we draw, whatever we get.
That's right.
So
we're going to wing it.
Mm-hmm.
So
roll first.
I'll start first.
1. You get peas. 4. I get mashed potatoes.
4.
I already got it. Roll again.
Okay.
1.
I already got it. 6.
You get sausage. That's good so far.
Yeah.
5. Pineapple and mashed potatoes. Kind of a combo of that.
3. I get cheese.
So I get the peppers.
Okay. Oh my. Okay, what a mix.
Now, we do get to elaborate with what's in the pantry so we can make it tasty. Try to
We're going to attempt
as much as mashed potatoes, pineapple can be. So we're not timed. We just have to make something. I don't know what I'm going to make.
I don't either.
Can I borrow some of your sausage? Are we allowed to do that? As long as
you use your
ingredients.
3 ingredients,
Okay.
then I think we're good to go. Okay, so let's get started.
I know. Okay, whatever. Do you want to grab me a pen?
Do whatever. What do you mean?
Grab me a pen, please. I'm gonna pan fry mine.
You're gonna make like, oh, you smarty pants.
I'm not
I know what
sure
you're doing.
if this is gonna turn out, but you know.
Actually, you're gonna pan fry that. What a
I'm
good
going to.
idea. Like a little, like a patty.
A veggie patty.
A veggie patty. Mine was my go-tos because I have most of the ingredients.
Keep the pan for me. I need your help to make mine.
Okay. Would you like me to spray it?
Please. That'd be great.
Okay.
I need some chef's choice. I still have to do something with my pineapple. I'll get there. Have you ever had orange mashed potatoes?
Actually, that looks yummy.
To be honest, I've never done this
I
before.
put a bit of garlic if I was.
Hey, this is my meal.
Oh.
Okay, I'll put garlic. It would be a little hasty.
Actually, we might be able to serve it together.
Should we make my meal? I'm gonna do one patty.
Oh, that's funny. I should have let you borrow my cheese to top it.
I know, I was thinking that, but you know, that actually looks not bad. Maybe I should just,
Oh, I didn't even taste that. I actually quite like that. Yeah,
I like it.
See, it's the garlic.
garlic. It's nothing either. Okay, I'm gonna pan fry that. Do you want to pan fry that while I figure something out with my pineapple? Thanks. You're so helpful.
Yeah, well, I am your sister.
Okay.
Okay, so we have created 2 snack and a meal. Dessert, snack, and a meal. Okay, so you can
Out
say
of our
what it
3
is.
ingredients. So with my 3 ingredients, I had the red pepper, the potatoes, and so I just smushed up the red pepper with some green onions and garlic and made a little flat pancakey potato thing. I don't know what that's called. And then I took my pineapple, I crushed it up into smaller pieces, put it with chia seeds and a little bit of stevia, and then just have like a chia pineapple pudding treat.
Yeah, that's
Thing.
nice. And I did our regular, well, most of the ingredients I had were what our regular rice bowl that we go to. So I just made that again because it's funny what comes to your mind the minute you look at the ingredients. It's like, oh yeah, I know this. Because we're used to using it. But of course, some of your combinations
I've
were...
never made that before. I never have
So
thought of
should
it,
we
but-
try it?
Yeah,
Okay, so
let's give it a try.
you bet. I would like to try yours.
I would too.
Just
Curious
curious.
a bit. I would do that again. But I'd probably put cheese inside. It would hold it together a bit more.
And I think if you hydrate the cheese and you pan fry it with the cheese in it, it would be nice.
Okay.
I've never tried this with cheese on top.
I like the cheese dry.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. Dessert.
That's actually not bad.
I would do that again too.
Mm-hmm. So simple, easy, and just grab your ingredients and away you go. So if you have any suggestions, just comment below and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And make sure to subscribe and
Hit the
Ring.
notification bell so
that.
you're notified when we post another video.
right on. And remember, you can
You
do
can
this
do this
too.
too. Remember? Okay, let's do it again. Oops. Just